McDonald's. I don't know what food is mine. Let me just sneak in a fry. I don't know what food is mine, so I'm just waiting for my siblings to like sort it out. Yeah. I'm kind of trying to be the best. Nom, 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 nom. We got some new kittens. And they're oh so freaking cute. But that's Frank. Cookie, of course. Number Elliot. Oh wait, so this is Elliot, y'all. And then we have this is a sheep. This is a kitten called Spicy Licorice Sticks, and this is Buford. My brother named him. Oh, he's so playful. He's sunbathing. Here, let me put him in the sun. He was sunbathing. That's why. That's the new litter box we got. And the kittens are doing pretty good. I still feel like we should have left them with their mother for just a little bit more. Because the mother is like really sad and depressed now. So yeah. Bye, you guys.